This is Plateau English Online.
This is Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Cow, cow. Library, library. Monastery, monastery. School, school. Teacher, teacher. Temple, temple. Village, village. Hometown, hometown. Spread out, spread out.
Hi, that's Rima. What are you doing?
Just great. Thanks. You?
Fine. This is my friend Linton. I have to go somewhere for a minute. Do you mind staying with him?
Okay, no worries.
Okay, thanks.
So, where are you from?
I come from Chaka County. How about you?
I am from Henan County. Your hometown is in a farming place, right?
Yes, that's right.
In your village, do you have any yaks?
No, we don't have any yaks. We have some cows, but no yaks. Do you have any cows in your hometown?
No, we don't have any cows.
I see. Do you have a temple in your village?
No, we live spread out on the grassland. There aren't many buildings. There is a monastery nearby. Is there a monastery in your hometown?
Yes, there is a monastery near my village. Is there a school in your village?
No, we don't have a school in the village, but there is a school in the township.
Is there a library in the township school?
Yes, there is a library in the township school, but there aren't any books in the library.
Oh, that is a pity. Our library has lots of books.
Do you have any English books?
Yes, but we have only few books. Most of books are Tibetan. Do you have an English teacher at your school?
Yes, there is one English teacher. She is very young. Her English is fantastic.
Hey guys, I'm
Hi.
back. What did you talk about?
We talk about our hometowns and our schools.
I see. Well, Linton, we should go now.
Okay?
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
See you, okay? Bye.